Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of the most satisfying healthy sandwiches you can eat at home. And the best part is, it's made with simple ingredients, high in protein, packed with vegetables, and it actually keeps you full for hours. This cottage cheese veggie pita sandwich is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And if you're someone who is trying to eat healthier or manage blood sugar levels, this recipe can be a really good option because it's high in protein, fiber, and low in refined carbs. What makes this recipe different is the base. Instead of using regular bread, we are making a homemade high-protein pita using cottage cheese, eggs, and vegetables. This means more protein, more nutrients, and less processed carbs. And that combination is what makes it more balanced and more filling compared to traditional sandwiches. For people watching their diet, especially those looking for healthier meal options, this is a great homemade alternative. Let's start by making the base mixture. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is rich in protein and gives the base a soft but structured texture once baked. Next, add 1 cup of shredded carrots. Carrots add natural sweetness, fiber, and color. Now add 1 shredded zucchini, but make sure you squeeze out the extra water. This step is important so the mixture doesn't become watery. Then add 1 whole egg and 1 egg white. The egg helps bind everything together and gives structure when baking. Now let's build flavor without adding anything heavy. Add ½ teaspoon dried parsley, ¼ teaspoon black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a small pinch of salt. Mix everything well until it becomes a thick, even mixture. At this stage, you'll already see how colorful and fresh this base looks. Line your baking tray with parchment paper. Now lightly brush avocado oil or olive oil. This helps prevent sticking and gives a slightly crispy bottom. Spread your mixture evenly into a round pita shape or square. Try not to make it too thick. About medium thickness works best so it cooks evenly. This is your bread replacement, but much healthier and homemade. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. You're looking for a golden color, firm texture, and slightly crispy edges. While it bakes, your kitchen will smell amazing, like roasted vegetables and herbs coming together. Now let's prepare the fresh and flavorful fillings. Chop fresh lettuce and arugula. This gives crunch and freshness. Slice ripe tomatoes for juiciness. Add fresh onions for sharp flavor, and a little jalapeno if you like some heat. Now take eggplant slices, season them lightly, and toast them in a pan until golden on both sides. This adds a smoky, rich flavor to the sandwich. Next, cook your ground beef with simple seasoning until fully cooked and slightly browned. This will be your protein layer that makes the sandwich even more satisfying. This sandwich is especially great for people who want balanced meals. It is high in protein from cottage cheese, eggs, and beef. And it includes fiber-rich vegetables like zucchini, carrots, lettuce, and eggplant. For people managing blood sugar, meals like this, high in protein and fiber and lower in refined carbs, can help support more stable energy levels compared to processed bread-based sandwiches. Of course, everyone's body is different, so always adjust based on your personal needs. Now let's build the sandwich step by step. Take your baked cottage cheese pita base. Start with the layer of fresh salad, lettuce, arugula, tomatoes, onions, and jalapeno. Next, add your toasted eggplant slices. Then layer the cooked ground beef on top. Make it generous, make it colorful, and stack it nicely so every bite has flavor. To finish, drizzle a light dressing on top. It could be yogurt-based, olive oil dressing, or your favorite healthy sauce. Now look at that. A homemade, high-protein veggie sandwich that is satisfying, filling, and nourishing. This is perfect for breakfast with coffee, a quick lunch, or even a light dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like, subscribe, and join Eat Clean Daily for more healthy recipes like this. Let me know in the comments if you want more high-protein meals or diabetic-friendly recipes.